All right, so kind of late here again. It's all right though, because nothing else seems to be popping on the scans as right now. Excuse me. Okay, so we have, let's see, GIIX. I wrote this one down because for some reason it was popping on my scans, and I mean, look at it, it's dead. What? Why is this on my scans? But our leading gapper is GRTX here. It doesn't look so bad. I wasn't able to actually see what it was doing pre-market here, but it seems like it's kind of selling off. I do like how it's kind of bouncing back up though. It seems to be making some sort of move here just because of its 1 minute MACD. So if this can climb above VWAP, that looks way better. Whether I want to trade something below VWAP right now or not, I have no idea. Like, I'm just my luck with below VWAP trades recently has been kind of trash. So I don't know if that's something I really want to take on at the moment. So we'll wait and see what this wants to do. But right now it doesn't look so bad for the break over 3 or break over VWAP in general. I do like the 5 minute on it as well. The 10 minute MACD just crossed and now it's under, but it looks like it's curling here, which is awesome. So this has a lot of potential. It's just a slow mover, so I would need to take a bigger size on it, I think. Overall though, I do like the 5 minute setup here. I would prefer to take a trade on it for a 5 minute setup compared to a 1 minute setup right now. But we'll go ahead and check back into this one, see what else is on the scans. We have ALZN. Again, not really doing much, just like the other stock, GIIX, PTPI. That's one we watched the other day, yesterday. Potentially the daily high break. It doesn't look so bad. So the daily high break would be 438. We're not too far away from it. Pre-market, it kind of got around that level, around 420, 412, I'd say. But it would have to break that daily high, or that's what I would want to see out of this one, I guess. If not, it's just gonna be kind of sideways, and maybe tomorrow we could see a break. But let's see, GBIO just got halted going down, so market's pretty dead right now, I'd say. Not much is moving. Not even our leading gappers popping on the scans. It's just kind of slow. The next note we have is FHFX. It's the one that we traded yesterday. What is it? Oh my god. Give me a second. Wow, I actually don't know what it is. It was just on my scans this morning. I can't remember what it was. I'll just forget it, I guess. Whatever, I'll just forget it. We'll go back to GRTX. I have to look for it. That's so weird. How did I forget that? I'm actually gonna look it up right now. Holy crap. Okay, totally side noting here. I didn't even know that I was gaining followers on Twitch. This is insane. So I got about 4 more followers on Twitch. I really do appreciate it. And especially YouTube, I hit 40 subscribers. Like, this is the first time ever, and holy crap, guys. It really means a lot. This is insane. 40 subscribers. I started off with 0, and I really didn't think this was going to get any traction. But like I said, I just wanted to record these things to see where it went. And it definitely exceeded my expectations. 40 subs in some months, I'd say like 2 months or something. I don't know. I'm really happy for it. I'm really thankful, guys, honestly. And especially those who like my videos. It means so much to see that, somebody's at least liking them. Somebody likes them all the time. We get a couple likes here and there. And I really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for the support. Let's go ahead and get back in here. I couldn't find the actual stock name. I'm still looking for it, but I couldn't find it. I have to go back in my other videos, I guess, just to see. Okay, it's FHTX. There we go, FHTX. This one does have potential to break its daily high. So let's see, its daily high is 19. We're at 17 right now. It does have potential, but it needs more volume. This one's pretty dead at the moment, so we do need more volume. What the hell? Oh, there. Okay, there. I was like, what happened? GRTX, though, before I left to FHTX, was making a move here. So really nice climb through VWAP here. I really like this move. Could have bought in here at 312 for the break over the last 1 minute candle. However, I'm still going to wait on it. I was going to say I'm going to wait on the next 5 minute candle, but it already opened. So kind of unfortunate, but next 10 minutes still looks strong. Everything looks great on it. I think I can buy this next 1 minute candle for the break of this high, but I think I'll take bigger size on it. High is 316 here. We got 15 seconds left before it opens. I just don't like how it's kind of finishing here pretty low on this 1 minute candle. So we'll see where this wants to go. See, it's hitting 306 there for a second. Kind of hovering around VWAP. Not really sure what I want to do here. See if it breaks below this 1 minute low, or if it's going to hold this small range. If it can hold this range, I'm definitely buying in for the next, I guess, 1 minute high to break. But I want to see what it's going to do. If it rips without me here, that's just kind of, oh well, like I missed it. But 13. Big seller at 12 there. Huge seller at 12. Jesus. We have a lot stacked up in the teens here as well. That's a lot of sellers. Kind of makes me nervous. Big one at 20. I don't know if you're able to see that, but at 20 there was a huge seller there as well. So not a whole lot of buyers. We do have a large one at 3, but that's all the way down at 3. It is somewhat holding its level here, double bottom for a second, but not really sure if I want to get in here just yet. And at the same time, nothing else is popping on the scans, so kind of unfortunate that nothing's popping on the scans here. Definitely not a day like yesterday, and definitely not a day like Friday last week, or Thursday, I mean, since I didn't trade Friday. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out CXM. This one's popping on the scans. Again, pretty dead. I might have to close it up early if I'm being honest, because there's really nothing moving today and it's kind of discouraging, but I don't want to stay 20 minutes in here just to want to trade something that I shouldn't be trading. It wouldn't make any sense, especially knowing how dead it is right now. I mean, I'm not expecting much today. ALZN here though, that was a really nice climb all the way to VWAP, but let's see if it can hold its level or if it's going to reverse here. I do like the 10-minute MACD here for the curl over VWAP. It's already making the move on the 5-minute. We have about 30 seconds before the next 10-minute opens and then next 5-minute opens here. But I'm kind of curious to see whether this one's going to climb over VWAP and hold, especially with all these green candles in a row. It definitely has the potential though. Let's go back to GRTX, see if this one's going to pop back up here. 1 minute MACD doesn't look the best. 5 minute looks okay. I mean, it's ending in a doji candle. I don't really like that. So we're just going to have to wait for a better setup on this one. This is our leading gapper too, which, I don't like to see that. KPLT also on the scans. Not much going on there. Really light on volume. STRN. Same situation. MACD on the 1 minute doesn't look the best. CXM again, pop on the scans. Oh my god, if I could type. So this one, I don't know why this one keeps popping on my scans. It's moving like cents at a time here. And I don't know. So it's 25 on the ask, 21. So 4-cent spread. Not sure if there's news on this one. A lot of buying going through here. Definitely has the volume, but I think its float's too high maybe. No, it says the float's around 5 million, which is also weird. Not sure why that is. Something has to be wrong here. ISOS is popping on the scans as well. So let's go ahead and check this one out. Again, not sure what's going on with this one. 1 million. Oh no, okay, 25 million in float. I don't know. GRTX. So GRTX reversal here. Really nice climb there. Again, this pattern, I'm not sure what this pattern is. I have to look into this. I tried looking up patterns just the other day to figure out what this is, but I've seen this pattern several times in these past couple of weeks already. It looks like it's just gonna trade lower, as I had mentioned earlier as well. I thought this was just gonna flop and that it needed more time, but obviously this next 5-minute open and it just ripped. So maybe the 10-minute gave it away there. I wasn't paying attention to the 10-minute. I completely forgot about it. But just seeing the 5-minute looking like that, to me, I thought it needed a pullback. Not sure what kind of move that is. Same with this candle. Basically the same on the 1 minute. You got a doji and then you got a rip on the next 1 minute. Not really sure what that is, but that's been a huge common trend I've seen these past couple of weeks, and I gotta look into that pattern. I keep missing that one. Every single time I see it, I miss it. So let's see, we're gonna get a pullback candle on this one. See if it breaks this 1 minute low or if it holds its level. If it holds its level, I'm gonna buy in for the next 1 minute high to break. My target would be, shoot, I don't even know. I'd want to go for 350. If I'm being honest. 330 seems more realistic. So I need to take a bigger share size. It's only like 6 cents. I'd have to hold this one longer, I think. So it broke its 1 minute high here. But I kind of want to see a pullback towards VWAP, or at least a 1 minute low break before I get in. Okay, if it broke its low, if it can pop up here back to 320, that would look solid for another move on the next 1 minute. So finish kind of low there, that's okay. If this candle can break its 1 minute low or just sideways consolidate here, I'll definitely get in for the next 1 minute candle to break its high. So there, broke its low. See if this can pop up to 320, and we'll go ahead and take an entry for the next, I guess, overall 5 minute. That's what I'd be going for. The next 5 minute high to break, or the next 10-minute high to break, but the next 10-minute opens in like 6 more minutes, so I'm not even gonna bother with that. So here's a move back to 320. Big seller at 320. Let's see if they get taken out here. So they were taken out 21 for a second. Let's see if we can get the move up to 330. We have a big seller at 28 though. Quick drop down to the 18, 16 actually. See if we can get a little more of a drop so I can take another entry here before the next 1 minute opens. 18, 17. I'm gonna get in here at 318, looking for the next 1 minute high to break. It's 22, looking for a bigger push than 22, selling there. Wasn't really pushing how I wanted it to. So 5 cent or $5 loss on a, oh, it's a commission loss, I guess. Break even trade, but commission loss there, $5. So I could have sold at 22, but I was honestly looking for a bigger break, potentially at a 25 here. I could still take another entry and just hold it. I shouldn't have sold necessarily to see continuation in the next 5 minute candle or the next couple 1 minute candles, but I don't know. Seeing that huge seller there at 25 that just popped up, that's kind of nasty to see. Don't want to see that. So I don't know. I'm not really feeling it. 1 minute MACD's kind of crossing here. Not really feeling that either. Let's go check out what else is on the scan. So 1 loss in commissions. That's okay. It's $5. Not a big deal. GIIX. GBIO. KPLT. ALZN. ALZN doesn't look too bad. I do like its 10-minute setup here. 1 minute MACD makes me kind of nervous, but I do think it has potential. I don't know. Kind of a slow mover. GRTX curling here. So I do like the 5 minute setup. does have potential, but it's already breaking this 1 minute low is what it looks like. So there you go, there's a break and there's a drop under VWAP here. Let's see if it goes and touches 3. 3 would actually be a support line at this level. So not quite. And we do have huge buyers stacked up here around 3. It's 301, 3, and then 299. We have huge buyers. There's already a 500,000 share buy right there. So if we come anywhere near 3, I mean, they have a huge, I guess there's a lot of resistance there to the short side. So MACD is crossing here on the 1 minute though. GIIX keeps popping on the scans. Why? Like, it's not doing anything. HUSN. GRTX. So GRTX is 3. Broke through 3 like nothing. That's insane. Huge support at 290 though. They just moved, cut their position in half, is what it looks like. They got taken out. Jesus. So now we're on a huge downtrend here. Major rejection off of 320. So glad I didn't get in on this second 1 minute candle. And I mean, it kind of sucks that it couldn't just, you know, keep going, but I missed this huge move here. This was probably the biggest move of the day, besides this, you know, initial 1 minute, but that's whatever. Today's just been extremely slow. It's just not a good day today, I'd say. It's already coming up to its 50 EMA here. I don't know. It's 12 minutes into the day, 13 minutes actually. And I think I'm kind of just done. I think I'm just going to take this $5 commission loss and wrap it up because there's really nothing for me to trade. There's nothing going on here. Larger cap, I mean, maybe I could take a trade in my options account. Go and check out I forgot what the stock's name was. Check out the larger cap stock, see what's moving over here. Let's see, Netflix. I could potentially take a trade in my options account, but I don't know. Overall SPY right now, still in some sort of consolidation it seems, but we're slowly climbing back up. We had a huge drop here just some days ago, or like last week or 2 weeks ago. It was a huge drop, so that was that was nasty to see in my long-term account. My long-term account really got hit. I was like, no, right? All my growth gone in just one day. I went from like up 750 to only up 150, I think, in 2 or 3 days, if I'm being real. So I was super disappointed to see that. I was like, dude, what happened to all my profit? But it's because I invested in a lot of growth stocks, so I, you know, can't really blame anybody but myself on that one. So, okay, 20 minutes into the day here, I'm going to take this $5 loss. Just really nothing, if I'm being honest. It might even just be break even because I know this is kind of messed up sometimes. I was only supposed to be at 1970 today, but I'm at 1985 for some reason. So my P&L here isn't always consistent, but for the most part, it's more or less around that area. So $5 loss, I'm going to say, based on commissions. And, oh, hold up. Something just popped on the scans. So IDW here just came up. Let's see what's going on with this one. Media holding. Okay. No news on it from what I'm seeing. News came out 7 days ago about a change in directors. Same thing. Low volume, doesn't really seem so active. So, okay. Yeah, so I'm just going to wrap it up here. I will see you guys tomorrow. And once again, I really do appreciate the following and support on both YouTube and Twitch. I honestly didn't know I was getting followers on Twitch, so it's really nice to see that. I really do appreciate that, guys. So anyways, I will see you tomorrow.